Compression tights against varicose veins. Modern methods of treating veins and blood vessels are quite loyal and affordable. Not many people suffering from varicose veins are fully aware of the danger of this problem. In addition to the unaesthetic external manifestation, the disease is accompanied by unpleasant symptoms, but the most dangerous is the threat of ulcers, bleeding and thrombosis. If left untreated, varicose veins can get worse and even lead to death. That is why it is important to see a doctor in time. Modern methods of treating veins and blood vessels are quite loyal and affordable. One of the effective methods of combating varicose veins is compression therapy. These can be compression tights or stockings or sleeves, depending on the location of the problem. We will talk today about what features compression underwear has and how to cure varicose veins with the help of compression stockings. Compression knitwear against varicose veins. Before the popularization of anti-varicose underwear, varicose veins were treated medically, as well as surgically. At times, drug therapy alone was not enough, and surgical intervention required certain indications. After compression underwear conquered the market with its availability and effectiveness, phlebologists began to prescribe it to all patients with varicose veins at different stages. Due to the fact that underwear has a different degree of compression, it can be used both at the beginning of the disease and in more advanced cases. Also, compression stockings successfully fight lymphedema, are used during the rehabilitation period after vein operations and prevent varicose veins in pregnant women. How does compression stockings help with varicose veins? The impact of compression stockings is as follows. Forms an effective compression support for veins and blood vessels. It enhances the outflow of blood and normalizes blood circulation in general. Maintains the tone of the venous walls and valves. Prevents the formation of blood clots. Reduces puffiness, normalizes the work of the lymph. As for the advantages of compression underwear, this product is different. Convenience and practicality, as it is easy to disguise it under clothing. The ability to choose the appropriate type of compression individually, depending on the severity of the disease. Safe alternative to surgery. High-strength textiles, long service life. Good air conductivity, does not retain moisture. You will find a large selection of compression stockings for women and men, as well as for pregnant women in stores. However, before buying, be sure to consult a doctor so that the specialist selects the right compression class for you individually. With everything else, professional consultants from our network will help you. We will select the necessary model for you, help you choose the size and tell you everything about the proper care and use of underwear. Features of compression underwear. The choice of underwear largely depends on the situation you are faced with. There are various modifications of knitwear, the purpose of which is to provide maximum comfort and practicality. So, for example, there are compression stockings and tights with an open or closed toe type, with fastenings on the belt, silicone rubber or special fasteners at the waist, models for owners of wide hips, as well as classic underwear. To understand all this and choose the right model of compression stockings or tights, you need the help of a specialist. The main feature of compression knitwear is its classification. The degree of pressure of linen is measured in millimeters of mercury, and the products themselves are divided into several classes. Why is it important to choose the appropriate knitwear class? First and foremost is efficiency. Secondly, safety. Insufficient compression may not have a therapeutic effect, and too strong compression can only harm the veins and blood vessels. The same goes for size. That is why it is so important to select underwear with the provision of professional advice, first medical and then expert. The stores will provide you with high-quality expert advice, help in the selection of compression underwear and answer any of your questions in detail. Also in the network you will find a wide range of medical equipment and orthopedic products.